Hello everyone and welcome to another Medal Mondays. In this episode we're going to be looking at the Vietnam Service Medal, which was established by Executive Order 11231 on July 8th, 1965. This is a large and encompassing document giving you the criteria in which you're eligible for this medal, so please bear with me. It is awarded to all members of the Armed Forces of the United States serving in Vietnam and contiguous waters or airspace thereover after July 3rd, 1965 through to March 28th, 1973. Members of the Armed Forces of the United States in Thailand, Laos or Cambodia or the airspace thereover during the same period and serving in direct support of operations in Vietnam are also eligible for this award. To qualify for the award, an individual must meet one of the following qualifications. 1. Be attached to or regularly serve for one or more days with an organisation participating in or directly supporting military operations. 2. Be attached to or regularly serve for one or more days aboard a naval vessel directly supporting military operations. 3. Actually participate as a crew member in one or more aerial flights into airspace above Vietnam and contiguous waters directly supporting military operations. 4. Serve on temporary duty for 30 consecutive days or 60 non-consecutive days in Vietnam or contiguous areas, except that time limit may be waived for personnel participating in actual combat operations. It's important to note that no person will be entitled to more than one award. Individuals qualified for the Armed Forces Expeditionary Medal, or AFEM, for reasons of service in Vietnam between July 1st, 1958 and July 3rd, 1965 inclusive, shall remain qualified for that medal. Upon request, any such individual may be awarded the Vietnam Service Medal instead of the AFEM. In such instances, the AFEM will be deleted from the list of authorised medals in personnel records. No person will be entitled to both awards for Vietnam service. Service members who earned the Armed Forces Expeditionary Medal for Operation Frequent Wind between April 29 to 30th, 1975 may elect to receive the Vietnam Service Medal instead of the AFEM. No service member may be issued both medals for service in Vietnam. Vietnam and contiguous waters are used herein is defined as an area which includes Vietnam and the water adjacent thereto within the following specified limits. I'll put those limits up on the screen, as you can see now. The VSM may be awarded posthumously. The boundaries of the Vietnam Combat Zone for campaign participation credit are as defined in the information that I placed up on the screen just a moment ago. 1 Bronze Service Star is authorised for each campaign under the following conditions. That the person assigned or attached to and present for duty with a unit during the period in which it participated in combat, under orders in the combat zone, and in addition meets any of the following requirements. They were awarded a combat decoration. They were furnished a certificate by a commanding general of a corps, higher unit or independent force that he actually participated in combat, that he served at a normal post of duty, and or aboard a vessel other than in a passenger status, and furnished a certificate by the home port commander of the vessel that he served in the combat zone. And then was an evadee or escapee in the combat zone or recovered from a prisoner of war status in the combat zone during the time limitations of the campaign. Prisoners of war will not be accorded credit for the time spent in confinement or while otherwise in restraint under enemy control. If we look at the front of the medal, the obverse, you'll notice it's a bronze medal, and an oriental dragon behind a grove of bamboo trees is present on the front, above which there is the inscription Republic of Vietnam Service. If we take the medal now and turn it over so you can see the back, you'll see the reverse of the medal. You'll see a crossbow surmounted by a torch above the arched inscription, United States of America. Getting a close-up of the medal ribbon. The ribbon is 1/3 inches wide and consists of the following stripes: green, yellow and red. The yellow on the ribbon relates to the flag of the Republic of Vietnam, which was at the time yellow with red stripes running horizontally. The red stripes indicate the three ancient empires of Vietnam, Tonkin and Annam and Cochin China, mirroring the Republic of Vietnam's flag. The green represents the Vietnamese jungle. If we look at the edge of the medal, you'll notice there's nothing on it. And as with all the medals, if I can turn it round, you'll see that there is nothing joining the ring. You'll notice that the medal that I have came in a box, and it comes in a box with a ribbon bar and the medal. If I pull out the cardboard backing, you'll see the pins that affix the ribbon bar. And you'll also note the crepe paper that's there. Now that relates to how it comes originally. So this is an original boxed medal, same with this one, and they've both got the same writing on it. So make sure that the camera can focus. And you can see it says there, medal set, Vietnam service, consisting of pendant, service ribbon with clip and bar. And then you can see it's E&H Simon Incorporated, and they were based in New York. And the production year of this medal was 1969 on both of these. So that's where you can date it. If you look at the back of this medal, you will see, hopefully, some letters. Just make sure you can focus in on that. And I think it goes HLP-G1, and that obviously relates to the manufacturer. So, not that I'm concerned that this is not a genuine medal. The age and the patina on the medal itself, combined with the box that it came in and the associated wrapping, and the fact that American medals, unfortunately, are very, very cheap to purchase, stops these from being overly faked. I'm not saying there aren't fakes out there, but the question is, why would you bother when they're so cheap? And there you go. That is the medal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. As with all my videos, if you enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later.